Hey everyone, today I wanted to make a simple quick video about how to change the name on your profile. So what we want to do is go ahead on Netflix, go to the very top right corner here where you see the little smiley face logo. Click on the arrow and then whichever name you want to change, you're going to go to Manage Profiles below. And then once you go to Manage Profiles, you'll see that there's like a little pencil symbol on each one. And so let's go ahead and go here, JJ, and we're gonna change it to Jimmy. So as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and just change the name. So I'm gonna write Jimmy for, just for example. And then after you're done changing the name of the profile, all you have to do is go back down and then save, and you're done. So as you can see now, it says Jimmy here. And yeah, this is a quick, simple video, how to change the name on your profile or any of the profiles that you have. Hope that helps, guys. Give it a like if it did, or comment below. Thanks, bye.